We're talking about the pentatonic scale, darlings, in the key of C. And the notes descending: C, A, G, E, D, C. Ascending: C, D, E, G, A, B. This is the way I picture it. I picture the form of it. So we've got a note here, and then I let go. C, A. Try that with me. Now I'm going to go to the G note, which is here, and then I'll let go. G, E, G, E. So let's try it again from the C. C, A, C, A, G, E, G, E. So just analyzing the form, we're starting here on the third fret, on the two bottom strings of the third fret. Or you can do a pull off. Now we're going to go to a D, C, D, C. So we're doing the same thing. We're hitting a note and then we're hitting an open note. D, and you notice what we did. We started off on the third fret and then we moved to the second fret. And then we can actually keep going down. So that's an A to a G. And because I've got that my low G string, we're getting some bass responses here. So can you see the form here? We've got da, da, we've got these two strings here in the third fret, and then we've got the lower two strings in the second fret. So to visualize that form, so let's just try this together. We're going to do descending. You ready? 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again. 2, 3, 4. Now let's do an ascending version of it. We'll just start on C here. So we're going to do C, D, E, G, A, B. So the next question is, well, okay, what do I do with this? Well, like our discussion a few minutes ago, let's find a little lick, a go-to lick to start off with. Something like this. Maybe that's a bit more complicated. Let's do. So what are we doing? C, A, G, E. C, A, G, E. There's an idea. There's a musical idea for you. Here's an idea. What did I do? I did a hammer on. So I plucked with my ring finger. That's sort of my way of doing this. I pluck and then I hammer on with that C form. And then I did a pull off. It's optional. I did the same thing on the E string. Let me show you again. C, C and A, and then G and E. And I'm hammering on. You could just play it like this. The thing is to mess with it and see what you can find. So with a hound dog, we're going to do in a few minutes. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Now, all those notes were just in the pentatonic scale. That was it. So, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to do a hound dog. Let me get my little setting here.
Callie,
Yeah,
can you just show me do the ascending one more time?
yeah, yeah. And then I'll do a separate video where we can comp along. The descending, we're just going to do an octave. We're just going to go from the high C to the middle C. So I'll call out the notes: C, A, open string, G, open string, E, D, open string, C. Let's do that again. 3, 4, C, A, G, E, D, C. Now let's ascend now. 2, 3, 4, C, D, E, G, A, C. And with those 5 notes, you got a whole new world.